powerful technique. The basics of implant cleaning using the PWR Pair and PWR Piezo devices. When piezo scaling using the PWR Pair or PWR Piezo device on dental implants, you will be using the PWR Piezo LED handpiece. Also, you will be using a PWR Piezo implant cleaning tip, specifically designed and intended for safe cleaning of implant surfaces, and the PWR Piezo implant cleaning tip holder, which allows for optimal access and view in posterior regions. When cleaning dental implant surfaces, insert the PWR Piezo implant cleaning tip apically. Use of gentle pressure applied along with continuous motion to cover the implant threads will ensure best-in-practice results. PWR ON with PWR Piezo Scaling, and air polishing, which gives clinicians the power of all-in-one versatility to treat each unique patient, with best-in-practice supra- and subgingival calculus removal, stain removal, biofilm disruption, and implant cleaning.